Hello, science fans. Today we're diving into artificial intelligence, or AI, a technology that's transforming our world right now. Intelligence means learning and solving problems, something we humans do every day. Artificial just means it's made by people, not nature, like a plastic flower or a light bulb. So, artificial intelligence is simply intelligence created by humans, using computer programs and machines that can learn and solve problems. These aren't living beings, but powerful tools that process information and spot patterns faster than we can. Imagine a super smart helper that never gets tired and can sift through mountains of information to find exactly what you need. AI helps doctors detect diseases, scientists study our planet, and even helps you discover new music. It's not here to replace us, but to boost our abilities. Like a bicycle helps you travel farther, AI helps us think bigger. By handling repetitive tasks, AI frees us to be more creative and focus on what humans do best: innovating, connecting, and dreaming. The goal is to use AI as a tool to solve big challenges, from climate change to healthcare. It's an extension of our own intelligence designed to help us, not replace us. Think of AI as a partner, not a competitor. It's about working together, humans and machines, to achieve more than we could alone. So let's explore how AI is already shaping our lives and what it means for our future. Ready? Let's jump in. You might not see walking, talking robots, but AI is everywhere, working behind the scenes in your daily tech. Your smartphone uses AI to recognize your face, suggest words as you type, and power voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. Streaming services recommend shows and songs you'll love, thanks to AI learning your preferences. Online shopping sites suggest products based on your browsing and buying habits. Even cars use AI for safety, warning you if you drift out of your lane or automatically braking to prevent accidents. AI is a silent partner, making life smoother and more personalized. It's not about flashy robots, but about smart systems that help you every day. From your phone to your car, AI is already your tech buddy, and it's only getting smarter. Let's talk about how AI is changing education. In classrooms, AI acts like a personal tutor, adapting lessons to each student's strengths and needs. AI-powered apps give you practice problems at just the right level, offering hints when you're stuck and letting you move ahead when you're ready. Teachers benefit too. AI can grade tests and handle routine tasks, freeing up time for creative teaching and one-on-one support. AI helps find resources for research, translates languages, and even powers virtual science labs for safe, hands-on experiments. It's not about replacing teachers, but supporting them and making learning more personal and fun. With AI, every student can learn at their own pace and explore new worlds of knowledge. It opens doors to curiosity and discovery. AI in education means more opportunities for everyone. Learning just got a lot smarter. AI is transforming the workplace too. In offices, AI handles repetitive tasks, sorting emails, scheduling meetings, and transcribing notes, so people can focus on creative problem solving. Businesses use AI to analyze massive amounts of data, spotting trends and making smarter decisions faster than ever. In design and engineering, AI generates options based on set rules, giving architects and engineers more ideas to work with. It's not about replacing workers, but making their jobs more interesting and efficient. AI is a partner, helping humans do what they do best: innovate and connect. By automating the boring stuff, AI lets people spend more time on big ideas. It's about working smarter, not just harder. The future of work is collaboration between human creativity and machine intelligence. AI is your new coworker, ready to help. Let's make the most of it. AI is making our homes smarter and our lives easier. Smart thermostats learn your routine, saving energy and money by adjusting the temperature automatically. Robot vacuums use AI to map your rooms and clean efficiently, freeing you from boring chores. Smart lights turn off when you leave a room, and smart speakers play music or answer questions with a simple voice command. Even kitchen appliances are getting smarter. Some fridges track your groceries and suggest recipes. AI makes your home more comfortable, efficient, and fun. It's not about robot butlers, but about small, smart helpers that give you more time for what matters. Your home is becoming more responsive to your needs. AI is quietly working to make life smoother every day. Welcome to the Smart Home Revolution. Of course, AI isn't perfect. There are real challenges we need to face. One big concern is jobs. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, some roles may disappear, so we need to help people learn new skills for the future. AI can also make mistakes, especially if it learns from biased data, leading to unfair decisions in hiring, lending, or law enforcement. It's crucial to train AI with fair, unbiased information and to check its decisions carefully. Privacy is another issue. AI systems collect lots of data about us, so we need strong rules to protect our personal information. We must ask, who has access to our data? How is it used? Responsible AI means transparency, fairness, and respect for privacy. Being aware of these challenges helps us use AI wisely. It's up to us to guide AI in the right direction. With careful planning, we can avoid the bumps and make AI work for everyone. Let's stay alert and thoughtful as we build the future. AI is powerful, but it's up to us to use it wisely. We need to keep learning about how AI works and what it can and can't do. Ask questions about new AI tools. How do they work? What data do they use? Who built them? Demand transparency and fairness from companies creating AI. If an AI makes a decision that affects you, you should know why. Insist on testing AI for bias and fairness from the start. Be mindful of what you share online and check your privacy settings. Support companies that are honest about how they use your data. Don't rely on AI for everything. Think for yourself and connect with real people. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your own creativity and judgment. Use AI as a helper, not a substitute for your mind. Responsible use of AI starts with informed, thoughtful humans. Let's be smart about our smart machines. The future of AI is full of possibilities. In healthcare, AI could predict illnesses before they happen and help doctors diagnose rare diseases faster. Scientists might use AI to develop new medicines and speed up research. AI could help us fight climate change, monitoring forests, oceans, and pollution in real time. Farmers could use AI to grow more food with fewer resources, protecting the planet. Our cities will get smarter, with self-driving cars reducing traffic and accidents. AI could personalize public transportation and manage city services for cleaner, greener living. The next decades will bring changes we can barely imagine. AI could help solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. The future is bright, and it's coming fast. Artificial intelligence is already reshaping our world, from our phones to our homes to our schools. It's a powerful tool, one that can help us build a better, fairer, and healthier future if we use it wisely. The future isn't something that just happens, it's something we create together. Our challenge is to guide AI with wisdom and ethics, making sure its benefits are shared by everyone. We must protect against bias mistakes and misuse of our data. The opportunity is to use AI to amplify the best of humanity, curing diseases, protecting the planet, and unlocking new discoveries. AI can free us from tedious work, giving us more time for creativity and connection. Don't be afraid of the future. Be curious, critical, and engaged. Learn, ask questions, and talk about AI with others. The AI revolution is here, and you're part of it. This is one of the most exciting times in history. Let's use our human brains and work together to build a future where humans and AI thrive side by side. The future is ours to create. Let's get to work.